Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. So my country people, another one don't share again. No, una remember this year where he cry come outside say, he pikin where they call blessing, and another one where they call the boy. So they know they take care of am. You understand? Another video don't surface again about this year. So you understand? So wetin come happen my country people? The Iye do video that time say e pikin no dey take care of am, make everybody beg dem say make dem beg e pikin say make dem dey help am, make dem dey take care of am, say e no be kpians. So you understand? So na wetin e want na make e pikin dey take care of am, so na im dey fine. So the video come go viral, and this Ije come from one village wey dem dey call Uronigbe for Edo State. So na there na this Ije for come. And this CJ come still appeal to all Uronigbe in the house, say make dem abeg talk to e pikin wey dem dey call blessing, and the boy say make dem no leave am because say im dey suffer for Benin. Na make am comot for Benin enter Uronigbe because of the suffering was too much. So in dey sick, in not too dey okay. Una remember the story? I still put am for my social, like for my Facebook for here. Now the matter of this EJ now we want talk about today, my people. Okay, how it a play? The girl where he record EJ don't enter police net. Now that one be the latest now, my people. The girl where EJ talk say abeg help me make I na that one be need dey call eseri unwere talobo na ejesi mari unwere in Jesus name, amen. Guys, e get some kind help wey you not supposed to help person, you understand? You go come land you for one kind palaba. Okay, this area wey we dey talk so now, e pikin come vex say why e go record the EJ put for social media without their knowledge. You understand? Una know say anything wey don enter social media, you know, they come outside again because this one don share and the other one don share am. If to say na just talk for there, just talk, they no record that if for day okay. So when people come see am, they come and the Uronigbe people come see am say why this woman go dey suffer, she get pikin. So a lot of people come dey vex, so they come contact their pikin say wetin dey happen, why una dey neglect una old mama this for this kind period, e no good. And the woman dey sick, she don still old. Now they come say they no neglect am. The blessing wey dey Europe, that one come dey shame. You understand? Say why im mama go come do this kind thing? You understand? Una know say for social media nowadays, now if you offend anybody, they will go your house, go dey record your people, put for social media. But this one no be so e be. Now this EJ na he call the girl, say make the girl come help am, make he talk. Those days dem granite dey do am for Nigeria that time, wey they go tell person say abeg come write letter give me, I wan send am go give my pikin wey dey Benin. You go give am to driver, driver go come deliver am for park. The pikin go come carry the letter that na so e dey be. Even though na Abuja they carry the letter they go, na so they take dey do am that time. So then they will tell you wetin you want, like wetin they want me you write put for inside the letter. So you write and they will come, they will say me you read that so that make them know. They know they hear, they no fit read though, but as you dey read and they believe say na wetin dem send you na you dey do. You understand? So then be this case of this EJ. So okay, I can't take play for here now. When pikin come vex say why this girl go come video their mama put am for internet, say e no rhyme, say na very bad something. So the shame and everything, and they come take go arrest the girl. As I dey talk to una so, she dey kirikiri for Abuja, say na against the law e do am, that is without the mama their consent. And the woman na elderly woman, so meaning you not supposed to do am because it be like say na the girl na e do am by herself, no be the EJ send na. So na be the matter wey dey ground. Okay, wetin come dey happen na the EJ come cry come, and the family of the girl come carry fight go meet EJ for her. So EJ come say abeg, she don old, the one wey she dey e don reach am, so make pikin abeg make come obey the girl say na help na the girl be help na him call the girl and this girl na no be Uronigbe there if that is no be na Uronigbe there for come but no be that community they say Uronigbe na very big village whether na 10 villages na they jam together no know but they say big well so no be the exact place where Ije for come na this our sister for come so she come buy something for near the house where Ije dey as Ije sit down for outside now so yan we ojowa yo no mugbi na oko as Ije sit down for outside now the next thing na Ije see the small pikin come call am say even lare la wo come help me see wetin dey happen suffer wan kpai am so if pikin no dey bring money come for am and you know say all this Ije people now they don see sabi social media I dey watch this man wey dey call wey dey always dey do news for Italy about money wey the bonus he say one woman call am for Nigeria one Ije say if pikin no dey take care of am again because of this corona but he hear say bonus dey Italy so why pikin no come dey cut for am for inside so you understand so all this Ije don see sabi social media nobody wan carry last wahala for who no know book or who no go school no get iPhone you understand or 100 phone so wetin come dey happen na Ije come dey beg the pikin now and the Arioba as Ije talk Arioba and the government say abeg make dem help am beg the pikin make dem release that girl say ese egigbe o so make everybody still talk say ese egigbe cause una guko egbuko na message na Ije send na so na make the girl deliver the message so Ije dey beg na say make pikin temper justice with mercy say na help na the girl help as I dey talk now yanwo bonowo ham gbokuta meaning the girl hand don dey on top of her head now they don break one of her hand that one na number 1 as I dey talk to you so the phone wey she buy Samsung nenemi they say the boy don break am they say he real name na Prince so now one of your brother come dey beg say ogie mo go review so you dey bear Prince whether na real Prince and na fake Prince I no know but he dey bear Prince so may he forgive may he abeg the girl no know anything so na make Ije come still do another video to tell to the world say nyeteta nyemari ita this time around he go dey sit down for inside room you know go dey come outside come sit down dey gbogi for ibaye dey look no here look no dey again so my people na so the matter reach now I say I need to come let una know because the family of the girl yando say obi ohani yededoru say if anything happen to our pikin and another they say that double wahala for dead body and dead body get the accident so I beg my people make una help Ije cry this cry so that make the pikin wey they call the boy come help Ije out na wetin I want talk be this one my people so na wetin Ije talk na be that so Ije say abeg make everyone abeg join na appeal for a pikin make temper justice with mercy say na help the girl dey na something she come buy for person kiosk at the end na she don land for Alagbon Kirikiri for Abuja na no say any case wey they don transfer go Abuja or Kinyari so abeg if you don't need be in the house I hail all of una abeg make una gather here make all of una share this my video make una so that me for sweet talk to una brother you understand in the sense say owie worry owie woda so may anything not happen to that innocent pikin because the family not go take am likely with them you understand so I don't first hear this kind of case so wetin they take the born person house na be small thing so my people I go leave una for this junction make I let una help me share this video so if today happens to be the first time where you come across this video I beg me you help me subscribe. If you never subscribed before, subscribe on the notification bell. Help me share this video, make it reach a pikin hand say a mama don't come beg. You understand? To do so, God bless you. Bye everyone.
No gari lize, no money adewa. Now, ave family ya fe, eya do agume kan wo wa be mana ni ari omi agian ni ari omi agian. Government wa la wo but the lize me. What ye, what ye adewa la wo wala ha. Wala wala wa gani na money na ade wa ne wa be setting ma be ibi be ku gbe ni agba oge ne egbe ma ma me wa ku wa gwan na ni egbe ma fun me ye kaka wala wa setting ma ku gbe ma ni
wa setting wa ku gbe ya I'm Prince. Yeah, come on, I'm not just see what.
Abava, I'm telling you, one is no, no, don't move my boy Facebook. Or my boy there, or my jet, or my better barba. I had man, no way, my boy, Rowa, and I could know where the video ni. Baba Lavin, I go on, or money real, you can't know the idea. Marry, I may have to allow my boy. No release money, no do other money, my boy, your man get money video jaba. As you know, money video jaba now. Allow I turn it over the receipt. No, you know, be my boy. Yeah, we're going to call no, say again. I know you. When I go on again, you're coming. I'm going to allow you. You may doing what get my job. In case I'm not every time, you may every time. Allow you. I call it. No release it again. No job. I will see you. My wife is here.
According to the story of Grand, Prince is my senior brother. Wish my because this matter may have village, you know them. Because we do write the matter, or not this one. Masana, my way the matter ya go here. This very gay question, all we do ma, market you marry, understand? Again, you don't talk, Ameriana, or ya the Prince. Prince now where no la no more video where you be in the road you come here go mara here you ma call me come here with me here so te you get me share where I come here mara here my understand here adiowa before okay to take again do deal with store I am going to you allow you even road you come here go mara here it's here so no we call here come here wake me here well la no more video we making now the girl yagili with the video which is my other go merowa masana I was not aware a priest to call you no okay I confirm which is my come the girl where we can confirm be man on the area this is the matter soon very did that be done now all the the cause commotion here gbona by matter put day on and because of that matter if we get in not there, you could phone on those song edge. What about 220,000? Yeah, boy, get boy, still yet, together, yeah, arrested. No, they are the baby Prince. God, Prince, where you have the Prince, no matter what, Prince take care or take care, where Ijek Barre do I do need the Mahama, all the cost of the commotion. You have the Ijek, no yaro. You know, when you ask them, I call it, I give me a call, and you have to cause the grievances in Ijek. But as we speak now, again, the detention, zone 5, under police custody. Now, anybody, give me contact all the prison. Yeah, my carry me, I see it. Yeah, call it. Yeah, not release again because the family of that girl is not happy about what is going on. I cannot that I'm very married with America, my anything. The mother now, she have already attended apology to Prince. Well, this is a tender apology, man. Prince in there, Vieno, Masana, Ezo Movigeno. They got to settle themselves, it's their family. But the problem now is that girl. Near release a girl, but where Omagi understand the formation, okay, pass no, and I get it all the river and I'm release a rouge because different kind of people have been coming this morning to stop this woman. A woman I even pissing now. They are going to make it so that they get near this girl in the piece at all. That's what I have to say. Praise the marriage opportunity now we are in our law. We are using the name of God. Please, Lord, release that girl for the sake of God. And my Buma, Father Kizo, that's why we need. That's why I'm okay. Niger other video. So that the whole world near making up both of them have been settled. They will be settled. It's a family issue, it's a family problem. Just that we not involved anywhere. It's just all take any. We really make them American okay. On our women are moving Facebook. That is the matter. No sooner. Praise Lao. Israel my woman back take any. Where in Hama work man. Ima call you Hama work. Israel no ever told him away. She really be condition very critical. Now allow, you need to do something fast. Release again. I don't know where there Israel are restaurant. You are being this town women, and you are a prince. Guillermo go give you. Allow prince to beg in the name of God. Look, we be in our way.